So time to start a project with my good old YZ. I took it out this weekend. I think I might have blown it up. Not really sure what's wrong with it. Gonna clean it up and tear it apart and see what's going on. It's got super low. The compression should be way higher than this. I mean, it's so easy to push this down. This used to hurt to kick it with sneakers when I was first riding it. Now I can kick it like it's nothing. So I'm gonna tear it apart and see what's up with it. And while the bike's apart, I have a few things I want to do here and there just to make it look a little prettier. I want to get all new bolts for these ones. These ones are all stripped out. Need a chain guard here. Probably get some new nuts up here. Get some stainless. And then I also want to replace this clutch lever. Just want to put a better one in. I feel like I just don't have enough throw with this one. It's not really engaging properly, or at least the way I'd like to. And I want to get a new little intake boot here. This one's starting to dry rot, and my gas lines are all hard, so I want to replace that. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Oh, also, the engine bracket. It's that one's broken, so I'm gonna have to either fabricate my own or try to find one. I'll probably just fabricate it. It'd be easy enough to do. So that's the project for now. It is not the warmest day to be washing a bike right now, but I gotta get this done. I'm leaving in a few days and I just want to have it clean. I'm just gonna hit it with the power wash real quick. I'm not gonna go into it deep and scrub everything down. I'll do that when it's all torn apart, but I just want to have it ready so when I get back I can just tear into it and find out what's wrong with it. So I bought this wash plug just off of like Amazon. It was like $5. I guess I really didn't read into it, but it's definitely not the right fit for this bike. So I'm gonna see if I can shave this down a little bit and try to get the fit, or I'm just gonna stuff a bag in there. All right, I guess it will work. Just shaved off some material in it. It's in there good now, just enough to keep the water out. So the pressure washer is looking like a no-go right now. I do not have time to mess with it, so I'm gonna go with plan B. Just load the bike up in the truck and go to one of those car wash things and spray it down in the bed of the truck. Alright, if you don't have one of these for your bikes and you haul your bike in a truck bed like this, I highly recommend you get one. It's just a shock saver, so when it compresses down, it actually compresses all on this instead of your shocks. It does a tiny bit, but not as extreme as it would be if you're just strapping it down without this. Definitely helps. Recommend you get one. Got all the quarters. I hope this is enough. It's not terribly dirty, but I just want to clean it all up so when I tear it apart, not dropping stuff in the engine. Here we are at the wonderful wash station. $3. But I don't know how much time that gets me. We'll find out. Those 3 minutes definitely rolled by pretty fast. Well, I think I cleaned the majority of the bike for the most part. Hopefully didn't get water anywhere it wasn't supposed to be, but I'm not super concerned about that because I'm tearing the bike apart. It's clean enough for what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to go through and tear everything apart and clean it all up good and try to figure out what's wrong with this thing. That's it for this video. Bike's all clean-ish. Next video I'll be going to the store, buying the nuts, bolts, gas line, and be hopefully tearing it apart by next video.